Forklift certification isn't just a legal requirement, it's essential for workplace safety. Why spend excessive time and money on consultations and off-site training when you can use our affordable, on-site forklift training, evaluation, and certification program? Our program enables your forklift operators to get fully trained and OSHA-compliant in-house, quickly, easily, and without any per-operator fees. A small, one-time investment covers all essential training materials. Order now and receive the entire program on a USB flash drive at no extra cost. It's portable, requires no download, and allows for unlimited printing. Try the program risk-free for a full year. If it doesn't meet your needs, return it for a no questions asked, 100% refund. Our kit covers all forklift classifications with a specialized curriculum, step-by-step guides, printable templates, certificates, operator cards, and crucial safety documents. Don't stress about creating a compliant program or overspending on consultants. Our kit offers an easy, budget-friendly way to train and certify all your forklift operators. Trust in our experience. Since 2002, we've been the leading online resource for OSHA-compliant forklift certification, offering a program developed from over 2 decades of hands-on field experience. Non-compliance can lead to personal injuries, financial losses, equipment damage, and skyrocketing insurance premiums. Avoid these costly risks with our comprehensive forklift training kit. Get FLC's all-in-one forklift training kit. Train your employees effectively and safeguard against costly accidents. Act now and elevate your safety program today. Choose FLC for your training needs. Get your kit today to start your path to complete OSHA compliance and workplace safety.